The Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer with rotisserie and dehydrator function. It can handle any air frying, baking, or culinary operation and produces a crispy fried texture. This multi-purpose air fryer is here to replace your clutter. Any cooking, baking, or air frying task is handled by the Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer, with rotisserie and dehydrator feature, which produces the crispy fried texture you adore with little to no oil. The high-speed convection system, and extremely effective fast air technology, enable you to get an even crispy fried texture with little to no oil. You can use it to air fry, roast, dry, bake, reheat, and more. You can easily watch your food cook thanks to the interior illumination. In the middle of air frying, racks should be replaced for best results. 2 airflow racks, a rotating basket, a rotisserie retrieving tool, and a drip tray are included as accessories. With the 3 functions of this unit, you may utilize its versatility while saving important cabinet space. With the dehydrating preset, you can make your own dried fruit slices, long-lasting dried herb. Cleaning is simple thanks to the removable drip pan and dishwasher-safe parts. Dishwasher-safe accessories for easy cleanup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.